Hello, little artists! Today, get ready to brighten up your day as we draw a big, beautiful rainbow flower. Are you excited to create something vibrant and cheerful? Let's dive in! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's start our floral masterpiece. Begin by drawing a circle at the center of our flower. This circle will be the heart of our radiant creation. Then, draw 10 lovely petals around the circle, spreading joy in every direction. Let's make those outlines bold and sharp to give our flower that extra pop. And now, it's time to add some color to our beautiful flower. Grab your color pens, and let's create a rainbow of happiness. We'll start by coloring the center circle with the colors of the rainbow. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Now, let's color the petals with the same rainbow hues. Red color. Orange color. To add a special touch to our flower, let's decorate the petals with black dots. Yellow color. Green color. Decorate these two petals with black dots. Blue color. Indigo color. Decorate these two petals with black dots. Purple color. Pink color. Decorate these two petals with black dots. Ocean blue color. Bottle green color. To add a special touch to our flower, let's decorate the petals with black dots. There you have it, a big, beautiful rainbow flower that's bursting with color and charm. Rainbow fun alert! We're drawing a dazzling rainbow flower today. It's time to let those colors shine. Start by drawing a big circle right in the center of your page. Now, add those gorgeous petals. Count them out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add some dots and lines to make your flower even more fabulous. Cool! Once your drawing is complete, make those outlines bold and sharp with your black marker. And now, let's learn the names of some vibrant colors. Indigo color, purple color, green color, yellow color, pink color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, lucent green color, bottle green color, brown color. Yellow goes right in the center. And for the petals, here come the rainbow colors, red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, indigo, purple, and pink. Awesome! That's quite the colorful creation, isn't it? Great job! Fantastic work, artists! You've turned a simple drawing into a burst of colors. Keep creating and exploring. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.